Nature's Way Heart Care Reviews. Does Nature's Way Heart Care work? Don't get tricked by fake review sites. Heart Care contains the actual hawthorn extract used in research studies. It supports efficient heart muscle metabolism by helping improve its oxygen and energy utilization. So what are 2017's top products for heart disease? Get the shocking truth right now. Presenting Enhanced VCO, the healthiest dietary oils on earth. Enhanced VCO is an inexpensive superfood that prevent heart disease, stroke, hardening of arteries, improve digestion, strengthen your immune system and even help you to lose weight without the nasty side effects of drugs. Don't buy any heart supplement until you read this. What are you waiting for? Visit us at www.enhancedvco.com. Call us at 1-800-935-1381 extension 221. Or click the link in the description below to learn more.